Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to build an email automation sequence for your community. From your dashboard, you go over to sequence. To create this email sequence automation, you have to create the sequence first, the email sequence first, before creating the automation. So you head over to your dashboard. From scale, you click on sequences and you're here. Add sequence. You want to rename your sequence title. You can call that community email sequence. Then you can start building out your emails for the number of days you want the sequence to run for. So this is for the first email. You put in your subject line here. I'm just going to put this as test subject line. That's where you put your title. You can add a preview here. Then this is the body of the email where you can start typing in. For your first name placeholder, click on this icon to select first name, and then you can just put a hello or hi in there, and then you can start crafting your email. From this clock icon, this is where you're going to put in the where you want to send out the email. If it's immediately, that's going to be a 0. If it's after 1 day, after 2 days, 3 days, you put it in here. And you want to look, this is for the days you want them to always send out, regardless of whenever anybody enrolls into the sequence. So when you are done, you click on save, you add email for the next email, and you keep doing so until you are happy with what you have. Just before you publish, head over to settings and make sure you are on the right time zone. Make sure you're on the right time zone before you publish. And you can put in a time here around when you want this email to always go out. It could be maybe around 10 in the morning, and then you save your settings. When you're happy, you can go ahead and publish. When this email sequence is done, then you can now head over to automations to create your automation. You click on the add automation, and here you can retitle this. You can call it automation for community. And here we can go ahead and add our events. So we want to add the trigger. You add your trigger, and the trigger here is when a user enrolls into a community. You want to select the community from the drop down. In this example, I'm going to be using this CNR free community. Then you want to add the action. And our action, after clicking this action, you see you've got a list of actions to select from. And we are going to select the email sequence. From the drop down, we are going to select the email sequence which we just created, which is community email sequence. And after doing this, you can end your event. So this simply means when a user enrolls into your community, they start getting these emails in the email sequence which you just created. So I'm going to end this event, and then I'm going to make sure I publish. And so this is how you create an email automation sequence for your community. Thank you.